In this video, we will go over how to install your EcoHitch on a Kia EV6. To start, unclip all the underbody clips holding the under panel on so you can detach it. Next, use a 10mm socket to unbolt the bolts on the underbody panel. Unplug the wire harness from the driver's side of the frame. Raise the side plate into place and partially thread an M12 bolt into each of the upper slots on the side plate. Repeat this step on the passenger side. Using the dimensions shown in the instructions, trim your underbody panel and bumper cover to create an access port for your receiver. Lift the receiver hitch into place and align the hitch mounting holes with the available side plate mounting holes. Insert a 1/2-inch bolt to each of the side plate mounting holes with the appropriate hardware. Torque the 1/2-inch and M12 bolts to their proper specs. Use the provided zip ties to relocate the driver's side wire harness out of the way. Reinstall all the factory components with the original hardware in the reverse order of removal. When you're ready to use the hitch, slide the adapter into the receiver and secure it with the 5/8 hardware, making sure to always retorque to the proper specs.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklifts products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.